Let's make a 303 acid lead under 2 minutes only using stock plugins. You don't need fancy paid plugins to achieve this sound. So guys, let's add a 3 times oscillator and let's choose a saw wave. You can go square as well. And let's turn off the other 2 oscillators. And this is the MIDI I'm gonna use. So guys, first of all, we need to click this gear icon and go to envelope settings and activate the first envelope and create just something like this. Only a little bit decay is what we need. And in the Mod X section, just do a very similar envelope curve, just a little bit decay, and give it from the amount. And now this Mod X is gonna be our cutoff filter and Mod Y is gonna be our resonance. So in order to achieve the acid sound, we just need tons of resonance, maybe push it to the maximum. Let's put some blood overdrive and push the gain. Put an EQ to cut a little bit low frequencies. Fruity distortion. Or even if you like distractor, let's use some harmonic distortion. And let's put some delays. I'm gonna go pin pawn, timing 3. And I'm gonna add a little bit convolver reverb. And that's it, guys. Maybe I can do some little low cut if I want to use this in a track. And I'm gonna put kickstart. This is the only paid plugin I'm using for this tutorial. You can use gross beat, you can use whatever sidechain plugin you like. And that's the final result. Sounds tight, right? And finally, you can just experiment with other waveforms as well, such as square. Yeah guys, you can follow for more 2 minutes producer track.